Because like the competition is very high here in order to get a job or even internship as well.
Hmm. I think you should be more familiar. You should get familiar with Python,
Mm-hmm.
R, and if you want to go into the database line, then SQL.
Mm-hmm.
What's your bachelor's in?
My bachelor's is in environmental science.
Okay. So I probably think you will you will be going in something like analytics plus
Mm.
scripting, right?
Scripting, yes, exactly.
So I think Python is very important, but you need to also learn R, and I don't see R in here.
Mm-hmm.
So R is also very important.
Mm. But R is usually for visualizing. It's not like doing something work on.
So what happens is if you want to go for a PhD or something,
Mm-hmm.
then they would ask you either you should be proficient in Python or R.
Mm.
So sometimes it happens, for example, I am the person, your PhD guide. I am not good in Python, I'm good in R. So I
Yes.
will advertise it that the person should have the knowledge of R. So R
Mm.
is also asked many a times. And if you're going into industry, then R is not that important. Then Python and JavaScript are the most important one. So
Mm.
also there is this stream that is called as WebGIS and like a WebGIS person developer. So you also there is no WebGIS here. So you need to also learn about WebGIS. That is very important. So
Okay.
other than this curriculum, I would suggest you to learn JavaScript, WebGIS, and R.
GIS, JavaScript,
Hmm.
and R plus German language.
Yeah, that's the most important one.
Yeah. Oof.
Okay, last time I gave you some homework, if you remember. Were you able to do
Yes,
it?
I um try to take a one specific column, but there was not specific column in those tables. Like for
Okay.
extract, exact, yeah, what you can say this uh, for the extract, it's like working, but if I using the all function, it was not getting the result. It was showing some errors.
Okay. So what we will do today is we practice a good portion of the SQL, right? We understand now how the queries are written, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now we have to do it um,
Yes.
in the Postgres itself, right?
Okay.
So the homework I gave, we will do it down the line in Postgres itself. Okay.
Okay. First, we have to create a database, or we can download something.
We will have to create data.
Okay.
Just a moment. So now you do what is
Hmm.
we installed QGIS, Postgres, right?
Postgres, PG, I think, yes.
Just write in your computer PG admin 4
Yes.
and click on it. So something like this will appear, right?
Just a minute, this was opening.
Okay.
Yeah, servers was there.
So you need a server, right? So what
Mm.
server means is, uh, for example, you have some you have something in your computer, any kind of data. It may be a video, it may be an image, right? Now, internet is such a thing, or the database is such a thing that if you want it for the public to able to access that data of yours, right?
Yes.
So you have a database, that is no problem.
Mm-hmm.
But you need to connect it to a server. What server means is the connection that is able to kind of that is making your data viewable to the public.
Mm.
So basically on internet, how things are working, everything has a server, right?
Yes.
So it is the main handle behind the functioning from the interface of from the storage to the display.
Okay. So the storage will be on our desktop or it should be on online?
Storage can be of two, three types. One, it can be in your computer. The
Yes.
other thing is it can be on cloud.
Okay.
We can buy storage on cloud. The third is we can have storage on just online. So now in that server you are hosting your database, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So server is something that is just connecting the things, whereas database is where actually your data is.
Mm.
Now, uh, if you go here, click on server. If you select the latest one, maybe it is 17 or 19 for you, whichever it is, when you click on
It's very,
expand, it will
okay.
ask for password.
No,
So the
I
last
see the
time
question.
we had kind of configured it, we had made a password for it.
Mm-hmm.
So enter that password.
Okay. I already saved this, so it automatically opens.
Yeah. So now you see there are so many things inside this. This is a server. This PostgreSQL is server.
Mm.
So this PostgreSQL 13 is like you can create multiple servers. This is from the older Postgres that was in my computer. Now I have it uninstalled, but I can activate it again, right? So you can always
Mm.
like create a new server, register server. So, but for our scope of understanding, we do not need to go into the depth of servers. We just need to understand databases.
Okay.
Okay. So when you click on databases, how many
Mm.
databases are appearing to you?
It's like two.
One must be demo and must be Postgres.
Huh? No.
Huh? Which two?
One is showing like Postgres and PostGIS
Huh?
36
Sorry,
sample.
sorry. This demo is what I created. So it must be showing this PostGIS and Postgres,
Yes.
right? So
Post 36 sample
if you
and
remember while installing it, we chose PostGIS also as in the stack builder, right?
yes, yes.
So what it means is when we create a database here, because in our installation we chose that PostGIS should be created. So this is kind of a spatial extension this database is not able to hold spatial data. For spatial data, this database is created along it so that spatial queries can work.
But for me, Push GIS 36 sample, the icon was different.
No worries, icon does not matter. But
Okay.
now what you do is you go to your Postgres
Hmm.
and in here uh, you click on this query tool
Yes.
and here you type this create
Create,
extension PostGIS.
create extension
PostGIS.
POSGIS. Okay. Enter.
Yeah, not enter. There must be a run button here, execute script.
Okay. Execute. Yes. Query return successfully. Yes.
Yeah. So what we did is, let me explain to you. So now, uh, in your Postgres only, if you, so I I will be using demo, you need to use Postgres. No difference, right? It's just
Okay.
the difference of name.
Okay.
So in demo, now if you click schema
Yes.
and also in extension, now you will see PostGIS.
Where is extension? Yes. PostGIS.
So this is what you created just now. You created extension. So
What
that
is
means,
extension?
so what this means is, just like in Python libraries, you know
Hmm.
NumPy.
Yes.
So similarly, all the default extension of this is SQL. But because we have to work with spatial data, we also need to add extension that is PostGIS.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
So it is an extension that will handle all your
Geospatial data.
geospatial data.
Yes.
So now if you close this, so if you go to schema, in schema you'll find public.
Yes.
In public, you will find one table that is because thereof your extension that you just installed. Otherwise, if you did not have installed that extension,
Hmm.
just for example, I did not install one here. So the table is empty.
Yes.
So this is something to support my spatial data. Now, what if I want to create a new table? So by table, you understand a table in a database, right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Either you can just right click create table,
Hmm.
or maybe you could just go here to query tool.
Hmm.
So right
Clean.
here, create table. So if you remember from the W3 schools, to create table we use such query. So now, for example, what maybe we define a table that is called as products.
Hmm.
So I will choose products,
It's
create table products. And now in this table,
columns.
I want columns. Maybe the first column may be the ID,
Hmm.
and ID can be integer.
Hmm.
Then I want um, product name, product name, and I want it to be having characters. That is, the length of the characters can only be 40, right?
Yes.
Similarly, I will add product name, then we can add uh, product quantity. I will just call it quantity or quantity. Varchar. No, quantity can be an integer, right? So you can always also select an integer if you want it to be the value of 10. If you leave it default, it will be of 255 or 244 something, right?
Hmm.
Now amount, amount can be a double. So you know what double is? Hello?
Uh, like both two
Do you
two two
do you know what
integers
is float?
load.
Float,
Ah,
FLOT.
float. Yes. Point.
So double is like a, so it is almost similar, like float is for. So what happens is when you take float and double, so the basic difference between float and double is they can store values. It can be any value like integer, decimal, or anything. The
Hmm.
basic difference between these two is float has a limit that it can take up values up to a certain point. But double, it can even take bigger values than float. So if you
Okay.
have smaller values, you choose float. Otherwise, you can choose for the safer side, we always choose double.
Double.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then maybe we can have Let's call it product ID. Features. And one more thing, that is maybe customer name. So do you understand this query, right?
Yes.
It is about creating a table with product name, quantity, amount, product ID, and customer name.
Mm.
Let's see if it goes through. We will execute, or if it gives error. Product. Okay. So I forgot a comma here
Okay.
and everywhere. Now let's try. Type double does not exist in SQL. Amount float. So the query returned. Now, if you go to your in schema, if you go to your tables and refresh it, now what do you see? You see a table called products,
But for
right?
me, there is error, syntax error at near. Huh?
You must be missing something. Check according to this.
Create
Maybe
table formats. It's same.
huh?
It's same. But still on 9.8 or 9.8, it's the same thing. Just close bracket and semicolons, close bracket. Says error, syntax error, near.
Maybe show me your screen.
Okay, okay, and last you did not have comma. Okay,
Yeah.
but still, huh? No, still showing some error.
Maybe just show me your screen. Maybe.
Okay, okay, share. Screen.
Create table ID.
Yes, yes. No,
No, no, there does not needs to be a space in varchar and
no, three.
create product. Why is your PG admin in a dark mode?
I don't know. Maybe because of my preferences.
Yeah.
Display. Uh, it properties.
Display uh, in dashboard under display in
Yes.
dashboard. Show activity. Let me check on Google. So you have the word file in the left. Click on file
Hmm.
and then select preferences.
Hmm.
And in preferences, you have theme settings somewhere.
Team. Uh, display loss processes tab.
So there is this one financial trap that keeps us poor. Home loan. Let me explain. Let's say you take a. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be showing
Let me share my screen and
Okay.
we'll see from this video.
you how to change the color theme in PG admin of PostgreSQL. So let's get started. So first thing, just go to the home page of your PG admin, and to the left you will be having the file option. Click that and click on preferences. And in this preferences, if you just scroll down, you'll be having this miscellaneous option, and under that you will be having themes. Click on themes, and here the
No,
default
for
theme is
me,
going to
there's
be
no
standard.
themes.
You don't have the word miscellaneous?
Yes, okay, it's user interface.
Okay.
Okay.
And just click on this drop down. We have two more themes, which is dark and high contrast. So if I click on dark, this is the preview of this and save. Yeah, just click on refresh.
Yes,
So
it's
this is the
changed.
dark theme. And if I want to go to the other,
So you were able to change?
Yeah.
Okay. Just now show me your screen. Create table and integer product underscore name. What the integer non-double.
Line 3 product name, varchar.
Ah, I told you, like, I just checked, double is no more, double is not existing in SQL, only float is existing. So instead of double, put float.
But for me, it's in line 3, varchar.
No worries, change it to float. Now try.
This maybe
Product.
V is capital.
You wrote the spelling of varchar wrong here. It's varchar, char.
Okay, yeah. Hopefully it should be. Yes, create table. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. Now it's products is saying
Now if you go to products and you kind of,
count rows.
there is a way to, so you just write here, select all, select star from products,
Actually, okay.
and you run this. So here is the how the table looks, right?
Just a minute. Snake. Star. Home products. Yes. ID integer product. Yes.
Now we need to insert values to this. So if you go back to insert into, if you look here, insert into. So now we want to add values to the table. So
Mm.
what we will do is we will call the new query. Maybe I'll change the query, that is insert into first is ID, then is product name. What if I take insert into as default and add all the values? Maybe. Okay, we'll try.
Or is there any specific like keywords like in Python we usually tab a tab and it automatically shows the functions below.
I don't think so. Product. Yeah. No.
Yeah. Like Python
Product
is easy.
name.
Quantity, amount,
Oh,
product ID,
ready.
customer name.
Okay. So insert into the table name was products. So insert into products. So the values we want to add. Values. Why is this coming? So the values maybe I want the value for ID, I will call it 101. Product name as Maggie. So just don't forget, because it is a varchar, it needs to be in string. So
Yes.
quantity is float, so it can be directly mentioned, I guess. Maybe 15 quantity. Amount is in also.
You can also like 15.7 is something like this. Oh, no.
So the quantity here is in integer, so it will be just 15. For
Mm,
amount, it can be like 150.56 rupees,
okay.
right?
Mm,
Then is product ID. Maybe I'll give it a product ID of 111.
mm.
Then the customer name, maybe John. So now you have the script, right? Then no.
Yeah.
Have you written it?
Yes, yes. Done.
Then let's try to enter it.
Yeah.
So I have some error somewhere.
For me, it's done.
For you, it's done.
Insert 01. Query returned successfully. Yes, it's now written in my table.
Forgot a bracket here.
But for
And
you,
after the
values is getting red.
no, it got the error there because there was no bracket there, right? So it needs to be it. So add it.
What was the
Now,
issue?
hmm,
What was the issue?
I forgot this bracket.
Okay, 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 okay. The first one.
So now if you select
Um,
star
um,
from products,
products.
you have the following values added to it.
Yes.
Now let's do one thing. Let's make it a 5 entry. Like let's add 4 entries together.
Mhm.
Like we just made one.
Mhm.
Let's add 2, 3, and 4 together.
Okay,
But
okay.
let's see how we can do it.
This one, yeah.
Yeah. So if I go here, if I look for my old query, it is here.
Where you can find the old query?
Just go click here and Control Z.
Okay, okay.
So now I will add 102. 102. Let it be ketchup. Let the quantity be 20.
Mhm.
Let the price be 194.44 and let the product ID be 222 and name be um, John after John. Maybe it be Ron, right? So now if I have to add another, I just need a comma,
Yes.
comma. I
Mhm.
will copy this all maybe. Control C, Control V. I'll just put and paste all 4 together. Five, okay. So this would be 104. This would be 105. This would be 106. Then maybe one was ketchup. Another is soap. Another is oil. Another is. So I've named the product name as the product type only. So just don't get confused. Oil, pen, paper. Let the quantity be anything random. 11, 19, 44, 6. The group is 44.44. say 0.0 and it be ₹1 20 paisa. Product ID 222 444 555 666. Now let the names be Ali, Neeraj, um, um, so have you written?
Just a moment.
Yeah.
Yes. Done.
Just a moment, I got a message from
Syntax error.
me also executed. Did
Only
did
there's
you
an
put this
error. There's an error at Ali.
error at
Ali.
Ali?
Uh,
Did you put this?
yeah, inside the corners.
Did you put this?
Just a moment.
Done? Or maybe show me your screen.
Just a moment. I asked ChatGPT. Says comma, but the comma is there.
Maybe just
Nothing.
show your screen.
Okay. Mm, 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 mm.
Oh, okay. So there is no comma between Ali and 444.
Ali and?
444
Okay, okay, okay.
executed?
Yes.
No, there is
Mhm.
in 102 paper.
Line 6 now. 102, comma.
There is no comma here after Sham. After Sham's bracket ends, there needs to be comma. Yeah.
Hmm.
So this all will come after you practice SQL.
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Now, if you go again to that part of select star from products.
Mm.
So this time you have the complete table here,
Mm.
right? Now I want you to write a query. I just want you to select quantity and amount from this table.
Okay. Select quantity UUENPITY AMOUNE. Yes, done.
It is the same as this, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's do one thing. Okay. Write it down on a piece of paper or maybe somewhere in your computer.
Mm.
Write me down the total sum that is
Mm.
um, the total sum for the product ID 102, 104, and 106.
Quantity,
Write me the total. I need a result in which I will get a total amount for 102, 104, 106 together. One amount that is the sum of this, and this.
Okay, so
If you go to your here, just look for this and sum and use something from here.
just a moment. Is select
You need to modify this a little. How will you do?
mm, I'm doing it. Select some quantity amount. Select some okay. Select some amount amount from not amount. Select some but the name of this table product. PROUDUCT product from amount AMOUNT where product ID is I have to sum around
Can you share your screen?
mm, yeah, product.
Why are you saying from amount? From is from table, right?
Uh,
Select star from.
now select sum from products table from amount. Wait. Select sum from table number this products from column number amount where ID should be
No, no, from is always used in front of table name. Select star from, select count from. From is always used before the table name.
yes. Should be products.
Yeah.
Select some products from
So
products.
what should come inside of sum? What do I
With
want the sum?
amount.
Yeah.
Amount.
Yeah.
Select sum of amount from where ID should be 10. What's the oh, 10456 10.
You don't have 10456. You have only 102 and 101 and 103. Just do it for 101 and 103.
101, 103.
No, it won't work.
Bracket.
You need to think, why is it not working?
Let me think. No printer. Or should I do like in this way?
Mhm. No. Use brain, bro. Like this will only give you a string value.
Hmm.
This you don't need strings.
Yeah. Stable. Hmm.
What
Products.
happened?
No.
No. What happened? It is not passed. What are you looking for?
Table.
Okay.
Okay. Where? No, that's not. Select all products. Okay, so select amount products where ID should be. ID should be, if I have to select one, two,
Hmm.
then
Just go to your query.
it should be
There is only one small problem in this query. Only one small problem.
ID sum plus
Hmm.
or should
It should be
add. Yes. Where
no,
ID,
not and.
huh?
ID can be just for one product. It is one ID. It cannot be and.
No, the function of AD.
No and.
Okay. Just a moment. Order the ID some. If I have
So
to
the
add,
word that you are missing is or.
but it will not add both IDs then if I use or.
Just try. Hmm. So we type boolean. Okay, then wait a minute. Let me see.
Hmm. What is the 102, 103, 102, 103, 102? Hmm. Argument of or must be type Boolean or integer.
Wait. Uh,
If I use like this, no. Hmm. Okay. I got it. Where? ID is equal to 102. ID is equal to 103. It's now 716. Hello?
Just a moment. Just a moment.
I done it.
Very good. Uh, just remove the, just try to remove the inverted, this,
Thomas
yeah, and see what happens.
says it should be in string or boolean. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So better to do it like this because it was not string, right?
Okay.
So what you
Intelligence.
got before when you did it was the sum of the string. The output was a string.
If I see like this, still says error. Now it should be like this. ID is equal to this or ID is equal to this, and then should request. Yes. Got it.
Now write a query. Uh, Tell me the count of products. Can you show me your table? Can you show me your table? Okay. Tell me the count of products
Count of
that,
products. Wait, I will
not,
get it.
yeah. Tell
Tell
me the count of products which are of value less than 100.
count of products
Which
which
are of value less than 100.
value less than 100. Okay.
Go to W3 schools and look for the count.
Count. So the question was, tell me count of products which are of value less than 100. Select count from products where ID is less than 100. Where is less than 100? 0? Ah,
The ID is less than 100. I said
product count.
amount. Value of that
Ah,
product is less than 100.
Oh,
But here there is something wrong. In count, in bracket, why have you taken amount?
oh wait, I forget the question again. Select, tell
The
me the
answer
count.
is right, but somehow the query is wrong.
Okay, let me tell me count of products which are of values less than 100. Tell me the count. Select count from amount. This is done, huh?
So you should rather take product ID inside it. Not product ID, sorry, just simple ID would be much better. Amount is also okay, but it may in some cases yield a wrong answer.
Ah, let me check. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So
So
what if
the query
what if
was, I
the
guess, sorry, the query was still because I found like select count on product amount.
hmm,
Because I have to count here, which is less than 100. So why should I select ID?
because what if the uh,
Look, I, if I copy, I put it like this. Look, if I snack count ID, which is this. If I snack count from table number amount, column number amount from the products where the amount is less than 100. I guess this should be true
Hmm?
or not.
I didn't understand what you're saying.
Look, if I write it now, amount, right?
Hmm.
So it says select or just count the values from column number amount
Mhm.
from
In
the
this
table.
particular table, it will come equal only in this particular table, but sometimes there might be some tables.
Hmm,
I'm not able to give you an example here, but I told you to select the number of products. For example, if in here there was a column called,
hmm,
um, maybe I said, if I change my question,
hmm,
if I say, uh, the count of the quantity,
hmm.
what will you do then?
The count of quantity,
Of the products which is less than of value 100.
the count of quantity. I don't get neck. I'll have to. It should be like snack count of quantity. Should be like this. Quantity from products where amount is less than 100.
Do you think it will give the right answer? It will also give 4 only.
Because snack count of quantity. This is a quantity and it's counting from this table.
No, no. So if you have 15 products, 19 products, 11 products,
Hmm,
what I mean by
hmm.
count is the total number of count, the total
Yes,
number
yes,
15 plus 19 plus 11.
yes, yes,
But
yes.
whereas in SQL, the count means is the number of, like here it
Same.
is occurring once and 19 is occurring once.
Hmm.
It will instead count that. So
Yes.
it depends on my question. So if in my before case, you were able to interpret what count means, but in my
Hmm.
latest one, you are not able to interpret count what it means. So when you
Hmm.
are thinking in the way you did the previous query, that same mindset in this query is wrong.
Hmm.
So you need to, every time you need to understand that how to frame your query. So
Hmm.
to frame your query, you need to understand the best way to write it. So
Hmm.
that is why I said in the previous query, it is better to, instead of amount, you should always use ID.
ID.
So it is just a better way to write it. So
Hmm.
sometimes
Because
there will
ID
come,
was coming once.
yeah. So
Hmm.
so there might be things that can confuse you, like this
Hmm.
one did, right?
Yes.
Don't worry about how to do this. This is a little difficult. We'll do it in a later phase.
Hmm.
Okay, now what you do is, uh, tell me the products that Ali and Raja are using.
Hmm. Then the that's that. Hmm. 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 Using. So it should be.
I want it differently. I want that it should come like Neeraj is using oil.
Hmm.
Sorry, Ali and Raja. Ali is using soap and Raja is using paper. Like two.
Hmm. So it should be nice net product D. Hmm. Nah, customer name. Snack customer small name. This is this. Snake, tell me the product that Ali and Raja are using. The from products where Ali and Raja. Okay, so tell me the products that Ali and Raja are using. So it should be if then what is then
I will repeat my question. Listen very carefully. Select, no, sorry. You have a
then
database. You have a
hmm,
database where everyone is using a single product, right?
hmm,
Now I'm telling you, there are two people in your database, that is Ali and Raja.
hmm,
Find me the product that Ali is using and Raja is using.
hmm,
So first line, what do I want you to find? I want you to find product name. So
hmm.
in select, it
Ah,
should be product name.
not the customer name. We are on the use. Next, okay. Product.
From products where
Say
customer name is
customer
equal
name,
to
yes. And yes.
the one you did before. Customer name is equal to
Hmm.
Ali, or name is equal to, there should
Yes.
not be space
Customer.
between customer and name.
Underscore name. Customer name is equal to
Ali
Ali.
or customer name is equal to
Yes.
Raja.
Hmm.
So this will come with practice for you to how to understand the. Now just delete the first line. Select star from products, or yeah. Now
Yes. So confused.
also I want the name. Now I also want the name of them to be shown here. Now what you will do is just delete the first line. Select star from products.
I'm just making this thing full table. Okay. I also want to display. It should be like
Nothing. Just at the end of select product name, just comma, comma,
okay. Yes, customer
customer
name.
name.
Yes. So confusing.
No, no, no. Yeah, yeah.
Hmm.
Right.
Yes.
So show me your whole table. Yeah. Now I want you to update the value of oil to 104 and pen to 105.
Update the menu of
Oil
what
ID to
what
104 and pen ID to 105. So
is
if you go to W3 schools,
update. Yes.
there is this
Update.
update or alter. If you look for update, maybe. mm,
Hmm. It should be like update table name. What is table name? Products. Set column. Update the value of oil and what is
Oil
the second?
and paper. Sorry, oil. So you
So
have 3102, right? Oil, pen, and paper.
oil, pen, and paper. Column name is product name.
Uh-huh.
Hmm?
I'll be back.
Okay, okay. Hmm, change the values. Delta table,
Are you writing on the screen?
no, no, I'm just searching what is the difference between alter and update.
Just maybe use update.
Okay. Because alter it was showing to add a new column.
Okay.
Date,
You just use update.
okay. Update, I have to update products name, product underscore name,
Hmm.
set oil, paper, and pen. Oil is equal to oh, I have to add oil, paper, and pen. Select oil, paper, and pen. This thing, and now change the values. Select oil is equal to where is oil? This 1 0 1 0 2 2 1 0. Okay. 1 0 3.
Okay, this is a little complex for do it for multiple ones. Just do it one by one. I want you just to change for oil first.
Okay.
Just for oil.
Select oil is equal to
Set oil is equal to 104.
1 0 4.
Hmm.
Where ID is equal to huh? Hold on. It will change it to ID or it should be
Why are we setting oil is equal to 104? Oil is already oil,
oil? Yes. It should be the values product ID.
not product ID, the simple ID.
This ID is where ID is equal to where is oil? This one.
But you have multiple IDs 102, so it will give an error. So instead of ID, you now have to choose something else.
I have to change the ID of oil, right?
For set ID, it's okay, but where ID is wrong.
Hmm. Where product name
Yeah, that can work.
product underscore name is equal to what is the name oil. Oil. Mine should be set ID. ID is equal to 104. Okay, where product name? Product name is update. Huh? Error relation. Product name does not exist. Line 1.
So
Okay.
what happened here is
In
you
comma.
wanted to update the table. How can you update the product name? It is a column. So it will be update products.
Products.
You are updating the table.
Table.
Now try it. Now view the table.
File is 104. Yes.
Now change for the other two also. Make it
Mm.
105 and 106.
Okay. Updates. Table names. Products. Form set ID. Where सब panel के हम change करते हैं. Okay. Oil, pen, paper, pen and paper, right?
Hmm.
Ketchup 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Pen.
Just one by one. No need to do it together.
I will try to do it in once.
It's not easy. It is not easy. It cannot be done like this.
Hmm. Oil, pen 104, 105. Oil, pen, and the last one is 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 5 and paper 6. Okay. 106. It should be paper. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6. Yes.
Yeah. Oh, just a moment. Okay, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. Okay. Add a column about the customer's last name. Just make up yourself and add a column about the customer's last name.
Hmm.
You need to add a column to this table where you add the customer's last name.
Hmm.
The column's name can be last name, last underscore name.
Update. It should be like update products.
No, 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 no.
Yeah.
Why will it be update? You're adding something this time.
It should be Altamo.
Hmm?
Yes, it should be not update. It should be alter table products. PRUTUCDS products.
It be altered this time, yeah.
Drop column data pod. Um, so, customer last name. Last
Hmm.
name.
Why are you dropping? Don't drop. You have to add.
Ah, uh,
Add column.
that one. A,
Last underscore name.
um, st- underscore,
Because this time you're not adding a attribute to a column, you're adding the column's title. So I don't think so it will come in inverted comma, maybe. Maybe.
I have done in inverted commas.
No inverted commas.
Okay.
So we still have an error. What is the error?
Syntax error or near testing. Yeah,
No. The problem is
line 4.
so you don't need to write the word column. And you need to define its type. Varchar space, right? After last name space, varchar
We
bracket maybe 40 or 30, anything, varchar bracket.
mm, mm,
Now enter value to the last name. Add random values.
mm, mm,
Maybe just add A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
okay. Then I have to add values.
It will be insert into.
Yeah. Insert into column name. Must go name bracket A B C 6 1 2 3 4 E F. Is it?
Bro, insert into last name. Where is the table? Which table are you inserting
Ah,
into?
yes,
What are
that's
you doing? Think, be thoughtful of every query that you're writing.
insert tables.
Open W3 schools in front of you to have a
Yes,
look.
that's why I'm trying to do. Insert into table name.
So today's session will make you understand why you need to
Mm,
practice rather than more understanding SQL.
yes. Even I know the query's name, but still when it comes to like using a specific query or specific function, it's getting more difficult and difficult.
Hmm.
Insert, I have to do a table name. Insert into products. Mm, Name, values, column A does not exist.
You don't have. In another query, just look for the select star and check the table out. Last underscore name. Now write this query. Insert into products.
Table products. This is the column last name. Values should be like A in column. Value 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. So what we are doing here wrong is
Hmm?
this is wrong. It will not be insert into, it will be update only. Because in insert, we add new values. We do not change the already added values. So if I
I
have
don't.
to add a new row, I will be adding insert into. But here already there is null there. It is already defined. That column has something in it that is null. So we need to update rather
Update.
than
Yes.
insert into. It
Yes.
would be update.
Into products table name, last name, value should be like this. 3.
No, not update into, just update. Oh, wait. You have to change the queries. Update is written in a different format. Insert into is written into a different
Yes,
format.
yes, yes, yes. Table name is products set last name.
So maybe just do it for um, doing it for multiple is difficult. Maybe just do it for one. Just
Format.
do it one by one. Just do it for John first.
Update.
Update last name is equal to A
Update products set
uh,
last name
is
values
equal to A. Set last name is equal to A. A
and
should be in the inverted
column.
commas. Where
Last name is okay.
where product ID is equal to 101.
Mm, This 80.
And 101. Delete the values line. Now do it. So now look, just run this again.
Refresh. Right.
Maybe close this window and
This will mean y. Say
query
update
returned
0.
update. Didn't update it. Why? The product ID is equal to
101. 101. Yes. Product ID, it should be 111. It's
Sorry. Sorry. Yeah,
Mhm.
111.
Update
Yeah, one
11.
updated.
Mm, yes.
So similarly, add to all of them. Your
If it's
homework is okay. Do not do indent homework. It will be difficult. Just add 1 1 to all. B
111,
C.
should be next. What is B? B. Huh? 111 7 3 3 4 5 6 7 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 1 1 3 7. Now, yes, done.
Okay. Now I want you to tell me the last name of those persons whose product value is greater than 100.
He tell me the last name.
Yeah, tell me the last name of those persons whose product value is greater than 100.
Okay, should be which condition should be there? Then with the last value, last name of persons, um, persons whose product ID is greater
No,
than.
no, product value is greater than 100. Amount is greater than 100.
Okay, I mean, okay. Should be. mm, Tell me the last name. Select last name. Um, oops, here amount is greater than. um,
You did not, and the ending should not be with a comma. It should be with. No, no,
Oh,
no.
A and C.
Now
A
also give me the product ID with it.
is product. Maybe we can say it's product name.
Okay. Now
Yes, Maggie and soap.
okay. Now, one of your homework is before the next class,
Hmm.
you have to create two tables like this.
Create two
Tables with
tables
genuine columns and values,
with um,
where there is a common column between the both tables.
mm,
In both the tables, one thing is common. Maybe it can be the customer name, it can be the customer ID, but that column is exactly same,
perfect.
right? Now, do you understand the challenges of SQL? You know it, but
Yes.
when you are going to do it, it is very
Way too
difficult.
difficult. Yes, way too difficult.
So even the basics are so difficult. Just think it
Mm.
is like the basics of SQL.
Mm.
These are not complex queries. We are not working with two tables now. We are just
Yes.
working in one table only.
Yeah. But still, yes. Just a one question. Like in one W3 schools,
Hmm.
only these functions that written here is full function are there, or there are also different functions as well?
There are many functions.
Mm. Okay, so these are
These are just the
just
basics.
okay. Good.
Okay. So now you understand the part how to practice this in the Postgres.
Mm.
So simply now we have understood the basics. In the next lecture, we will try to work with two tables. We'll do left join, right join, full join, and then we will slowly try to move on to PostGIS,
Okay.
right?
Just one thing, you mentioned that in the next class we will do like primary and foreign key. I guess we forgot it.
Yeah, yeah, that is like a part of when it comes in, like when we are working with two tables, that is when it is used. So I have not explained it in today's class. I will start the next class with that concept only.
Okay. So, what do you mean by like genuine columns and values? Like,
So I don't want the last name to be ABC. It should
okay,
be
okay,
genuine
okay,
values.
okay,
Okay.
okay, perfect.
Maybe look for some data on the internet, maybe, or just you have to create the tables as you created table now, right? With the code, you have to create table, add the name of the column,
Mm.
then like that. You have to create two tables that have maybe two. So each table should have at least eight columns,
Mhm.
and both of them should have two common columns.
Okay, maybe we can. I can take a country and write it districts, something like
Yeah,
this.
yeah, anything. Even
Okay.
if in case you are not able to do it, no worries. Just try to do it.
Yeah, I will definitely try to do this.
Okay. So on Thursday, what time can we have the class?
Oh yeah, like it should be like before one. What time suits you?
Before one. Uh,
Eastern
you
time.
mean that it should end before one or start
Yeah, yeah,
like?
definitely. Yeah, and before one.
So what if it's, let me check what time will it be if it is. So it will be 2:30. 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 11 to 1. How about 2:30?
2:30.
That
Okay,
means
one.
your 10 a.m.
Then yes.
Okay.
Okay, Thursday, 10 to 2:32. Which time?
No, 10 to like 3 hours of class.
10, 11, 12, 1. Okay, 10 to 1 p.m. and on Saturday.
Not on
No,
Saturday, on
Friday, Friday.
Friday. Yeah.
I'm just writing the schedule so that I know. On Friday, I have like 8:30 to 8:30 to 11:30.
If you want, we can have the same time as of Friday. We can have the same time on Thursday also. So that is maybe what time is it? It is 7 a.m. for you or 8 a.m.?
But 8:30, yeah.
8:30. So if you are okay, we can have it on Thursday also 1 to 4.
Okay. Yes, it's fine for me.
Just select the better time, 1 to 4 or I mean
10 to
8:30 to onwards or 10 onwards.
I guess on Thursday I don't have anything in class or assignments. No, I don't think so. Yeah, then definitely 8:30, maybe 9:30 to 12:30.
Uh,
So it wouldn't be like
so 9:30 to 12:30 will be 9:30 to 10:30. Okay, okay. Okay, then 9:30. That means 9:30 means
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock
9:30.
here. Okay, then it's okay. Then I will see you day after tomorrow at 2 o'clock.
Yes, 9:30 my time and 2 o'clock there.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, then. Just practice some SQL, huh?
Yeah, I will now try to do this.
Okay, okay.
Okay, perfect. Bye.
Bye.